Did you know that inflammation is the root cause of nearly every type of chronic disease, including autoimmunity, heart disease, diabetes, Alzheimer's, and even cancer? Or that reducing your inflammation is one of the most powerful steps you can take in preventing and reversing illness? So what is inflammation? How do you know if you're dealing with chronic inflammation? And what can you do to fight it? The important thing to know is that there are two types of inflammation. The first is acute inflammation, and it's your body's natural defense mechanism to fight infection and keep you safe. For example, you cut your finger and you experience pain, redness, or swelling. These are all signs that your immune system is doing its job and acutely responding to prevent the cut from becoming infected. Once the cut heals, the inflammation disappears. The second type of inflammation is chronic inflammation, and this is the kind you need to worry about because it's what leads to disease and illness. In our environment, we are exposed to a massive amount of inflammatory substances on a daily basis. From processed junk foods to plastics and chemicals in our air, water, and personal products, we are bombarded with things that keep our inflammation levels high. And when you're chronically inflamed, your immune system becomes stressed, which can lead to autoimmune reactions in other chronic illnesses. Chronic inflammation also sets up a chain reaction that triggers endothelial dysfunction and oxidative stress, two major contributors to cardiovascular disease. And the list goes on and on and on. So whether you are already dealing with a health condition or that you're looking to reverse, or you want to prevent one from developing, it's essential to look at your inflammation levels. So here are 9 signs that you're dealing with chronic inflammation. Number 1, frequent headaches or migraines. Number 2, joint or muscle pain. Number 3, digestive issues, including gas, bloating, diarrhea, constipation, and acid reflux. Number 4, brain fog, poor memory, or difficulty concentrating. Number 5, mood swings, including anxiety and depression. Number 6, high blood sugar. Number 7, weight gain, especially around the midsection. Number 8, skin issues like eczema, psoriasis, and acne. Number 9, seasonal allergies. Now, if you're dealing with some of these issues, or you've even developed a full-blown chronic disease like an autoimmune condition, heart disease, diabetes, or another chronic condition, I have good news. You can start reducing your inflammation and working your way back down the chronic disease spectrum with a few simple lifestyle changes. In my clinic, I partner with patients to develop a comprehensive approach to reducing inflammation based on your personal health history, functional lab test, and environmental factors. We call it the Root Fix Framework of Adaptation. However, for most people in America, our diets are the #1 source of inflammation. So in this video, I'm going to share 4 simple strategies to fight inflammation through your diet to get you started. Number 1, cut out processed foods and foods high in sugar. If it's not a real whole food, then just simply don't eat it. Processed food and junk foods are packed with inflammatory ingredients and are completely lacking in nutrients like antioxidants that help prevent and repair the damage from inflammation. As a general rule, avoid anything in a box, can, bag, or bottle that contains more than 5 ingredients, or any ingredients that you don't recognize as a real food. Number 2, ditch added sugars. Did you know that the average American eats about 3 pounds of sugar a week? Thanks to misguided dietary guidelines that demonize fat and cholesterol for years, Americans have increased their consumption of sugar and carbohydrates over the few decades. This is a huge problem because sugar is not only highly inflammatory, it also causes insulin resistance and increased blood sugar, which leads to diabetes, heart disease, strokes, and a whole host of other problems. In our adaptation program, we work with you one-on-one to formulate a personalized dietary plan that addresses all sources of sugar, including complex carbohydrates, fruits, and even starchy vegetables. However, a great place to begin is by cutting out all added sugar. So ditch the sodas, baked goods, desserts, candy, and sugary cereals, and you'll be well on your way to reducing chronic inflammation. Number 3, enjoy delicious anti-inflammatory foods. Fighting inflammation isn't just about cutting things out, but you also want to focus in on what you're going to be adding in. And the great news is that there are tons of delicious anti-inflammatory foods to enjoy that will help you combat the inflammation you are exposed to and help repair the damage that it has caused. Cherries and berries, including blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are some of the most popular anti-inflammatory foods and are easy to add into your morning smoothie. Salmon, avocados, olive oil, coconut oil, all of these are great sources of healthy fats that are packed with anti-inflammatory properties. And of course, there's bone broth, which not only fights inflammation, but also helps you repair leaky gut, support your immune system, reduce joint pain, and much more. Number 4, add in an omega-3 supplement. In addition to eating anti-inflammatory foods, one of the best and easiest things you can do to combat chronic inflammation is to add in a daily omega-3 supplement, also known as fish oil. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential acids, meaning your body can't produce them on its own. You have to get them through your diet or through supplements. And you want to make sure you're getting plenty of them because they are packed full of powerful anti-inflammatory benefits. They also have been shown to decrease disease symptoms and flare-ups in many inflammatory conditions, including rheumatoid arthritis, Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, psoriasis, multiple sclerosis, and a variety of other conditions. They are especially helpful for cardiovascular health because omega-3s help lower high triglycerides, regulate cholesterol, lower blood pressure, and prevent plaque buildup. The fish oil I recommend in my clinic and carry in my store is called the Root Fix Omega Max, and it's 3 times more absorbable than any other fish oil that's available. It's also pre-digested, which makes it very unique, so it's not typically a problem if you don't have your gallbladder or if you're prone to getting those fishy burps from other fish oils. Unlike most fish oils where you need to take 2 or 3 or even up to 6 capsules a day, you actually only need to take 1 capsule of our Omega Max. So it's really easy to take and you're getting the best bang for your buck. Alrighty, let's quickly recap what we just went over because this is truly critical information. Inflammation is the root cause of nearly every chronic illness, including autoimmunity, heart disease, diabetes, Alzheimer's, and even cancer. One of the most important steps you can take to preventing and reversing disease is to reduce your inflammation. And 4 easy ways to start fighting inflammation are to cut out processed foods and junk foods, ditch the added sugar, eat delicious anti-inflammatory foods, and add in an omega-3 supplement. I'm Dr. Seth Osgood, the proud founder of Grassroots Functional Medicine, and if you're ready for a personalized and natural approach to reclaiming your health, my team and I are here to partner with you. I've worked with thousands of people from around the world and help them to overcome complex health conditions and take back their lives, and now I want to help you too. So just give us a call at the clinic, 888-644-7668, or head to grassrootsfunctionalmedicine.com and set up a free 10-minute consult with me. Together we can review your timeline, discuss your goals, and discuss whether or not you would be a good fit for our adaptation program. Again, I'm Dr. Seth Osgood, the founder of Grassroots Functional Medicine, and I hope to speak with you soon. Have a blessed day.